Okay, here's our next problem. Same thing as always with elimination, trying to line things up nicely. So this 6y needs to move to the other side. And when I do that, I have 4x plus 6y equals negative 16. And I want to get the same number in front of the x's or the y's, and both the x's are positive, both the y's are positive, so there's really not one answer that's better than the other. I'm going to choose to get rid of my x's. A number that 6 and 9 divide into is, 6 and 4 divide into is 12. So I'm multiplying this equation by 2 and this one by 3 to get the 12 over here. And actually I need one of these to be negative. So I have more room, I'm just going to make this one negative. So my new equations are negative 12x minus 18y equals a positive 48. And this equation would be 12x plus 18y, and make sure you're multiplying the constants as well, negative 48. So I'm ready to add this together, and when I do that, the beauty of this is the x's drop off, and then I notice like, oh my gosh, the y's are going to drop off as well, so this whole left side is 0. And on the right side, I also get 0. So yesterday we had some problems like 0 equals 10 or 0 equals 5, and we said, hey, by the way, those two lines have nothing in common. They will never have common answer because they were parallel lines. In this case, this is a true statement. And what that means for us is there are infinitely many solutions. And what the graph of that would look like, it's just like here is a line. And the other line, if we were to graph it, would be right on top. So there are infinite solutions. Every point on that line. There are infinite things over here and over here that are not solutions, but there are quite a few that are. So when you have a true statement, it's infinitely many. When there are no variables and you have a false statement, you would say no solution.